The Games Workshop. The Horus Heresy Age of Darkness is a comprehensive set offering an impressive 54 plastic miniatures, providing the basis for 2 substantial forces or 1 incredibly mighty army. The set includes 2 Legion Praetors, 10 Cataphractii Terminators, 40 highly customizable tactical space marines in Mach 6 power armor, 1 Contemptor Dreadnought, and 1 Spartan Assault Tank, all of which are new models except for the Terminators. Accompanying the miniatures is a substantial 336-page hardback rulebook, filled to the brim with essential information and extensive background on one of the richest science fiction settings in the world. This all-inclusive kit also provides 26-sided dice, 1 6-sided scatter dice, 2 blast templates, 1 flame template, 2 classic-style red plastic measuring sticks, and a transfer sheet, ensuring you have everything you need to play. While the kit arrives unpainted and unassembled, this allows for a high level of customization, enabling players to truly make their armies their own. With a review score of 4.7 and 253 reviews, customers have highly praised this product, affirming its quality and value for the price.